friends, the spark plug in any petrol vehicle is such a thing that if it is correct or just by its color, it can understand what level the engine of car is. Means whether the car's mileage is very good or not, or there is oil leakage or not, or all the information can be found out just by looking at the spark plug. So friends, welcome to one more video of DIY Master, and this is your voiceover artist Yukta. And today we'll see in this video of Maruti 800 spark plug. So friends, to open the spark plug of Maruti 800, you will need a separate spinner which is number 21, and you will usually find it in a tool shop. Those who are branded, don't make the mistake of Lenny. If you are those people, then it might not sit properly in it. Maruti 800 has a big spark plug, so it has 21 number of spark plug. The rest is number 16 in it because they are small, and usually there are cars, they still use the number 16. But it is old, so it takes a big spark opener. So now let's open it. To open this spark plug, this grill has to be removed first, and after removing the grill, as you can see here, as soon as you see the spark plug, remove it. So I have already opened it. If you open it after some time, then you will have some difficulty. The boot will open here. The only thing to note is that the spark cable. Pay attention to which cylinder will have which cable. This is the only thing that can go wrong. I have marked it while putting it, and so I also know which cable will be there. But if you do this, then it has started coming out. So as you can see here, we'll check it later now. Secondly, I have opened it already. Now no need to remove it. So I have also removed it, and at the end, the third and the last, and the third one also I have removed it. So friends, firstly we'll take this in the cabin and see it. So friends, we have bought all the 3 plugs, and I didn't clean it yet. It is that we removed it and I took it here. Now we'll analyze it one by one. So this is the cylinder number 1. You can see it, 1 per mileage car giving optimum, because the spark plug has turned out to be absolute white. There is nothing wrong here. The only thing to think about is that if the spark plug has come out oily from inside, then the car may be consuming lot of oil, because its oil deposition on it is not on ceramic plate. It means it is oil deposit. It can be on cylinder wall, because this is a normal thing. It should be on the oil cylinder wall. No, there are chances of piston seizing. So the condition of first cylinder was this. When it comes to the second cylinder, it is slight brown color. Same conditions like before. Maybe the fuel is burning, which is normal. It is proper, and there is little oil deposit in it attached on its thread, which is the symbol that the oil circulation of the car is fine, and there may be slight burning, as I have not noticed any smoke from the silencer. And this is the third one. You will also see the same conditions. There is a threaded line, that oil disposal will be more visible. However, if you pay attention to the different ceramic plates, which is an indicator of any mishappening or anything which is related to mileage, then do it only after looking at the ceramic plate. So according to that, the spark plug says that the mileage of car is almost optimum because it is not carbon deposit and oil has not burnt. Now let's clean it one by one and get back in the car. So if you also decide to do something like this, then keep in mind that the cylinder from which the spark plug came out, you have to put it in the same. Nothing like this is necessary. It is not written in any user manual. But what is it that we can change the spark plug in the same way as we rotate the tire? For our consultant, so there was a lot of oil in this plug. I saw it yesterday. So you can change it and see then. So this was a small tip. So let's clean it and put it in the car. The spark plugs have become much better with a light layer cleaning. The carbon deposits that were there, we have also removed it. Basically, this is a cleaning of spark plugs because if there is more oil inside, then the spark plug is not formed properly, and apart from that, the distance is more. So we need to maintain it. At least minimum distance is 1 mm to 1.5 mm required between anode and cathode, so that the spark can be generated properly, which was the mark. Now let's tighten it back and end this video. So take care while tightening the spark plug. Tighten it at a moderate level. Apply the same amount of force as it did at the time of release. One was tight and second was also tight. So friends, 3 spark plugs, after which a problem has come, that is which cable type will it take. Pay attention to this. Although the size is different for everyone, so the shortest cable will be placed in the nearest one and it will be a little bit bigger. So the shortest cable will be placed in the nearest one and it will be a little bit bigger. It will be the short one in the middle. It will be 30 in the last one. So this is the first, and now second one is that you can do a little marking or so on. Now let's test the car whether the proper starting has gone or not. But before that, this grill has to be installed properly. So we are inside our car and we have done things, and as already our car, so now we are inside our car and we have done things, and as already our car starts very smooth and has given a little smooth start due to cleaning of spark plug. You can clean it at home without any mechanical support and its general maintenance if you drive a car. So friends, this is our small video in which we have told you about Maruti 800, which is type 3 model, around 1998 model, to clean its spark plug and its few benefits. I hope you will have liked this video. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep watching our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.